Grade 6, Subject Science, Chapter 16, Garbage in, Garbage out, Module 3. Objectives. At the end of the session, you will explore plastic a boon or curse, ways to minimize the use of plastic in our daily life. Let's investigate plastic pollution. Plastics, boon or a curse. It may be difficult to imagine our life without plastics, but not all kinds of plastic can be recycled. The use of plastics in itself might not create much problems. Problems arise when we use plastics excessively and are ignorant about ways of disposing waste. We all know non-biodegradable waste will not decay and mix with soil. When we burn plastics, it will create harmful gases. These gases may cause many health problems, including cancer in humans. The government had also laid down guidelines for recycling plastics. You must have noticed that people often fill garbage in plastic bags and then throw it away. When stray animals look for food in these bags, they end up swallowing these. Sometimes they die due to this. The plastic bags thrown away carelessly on roads and other places get into drains and the sewer system. As a result, drains get choked and the water spills on the roads. During heavy rains, it might even create a flood-like situations. There is a lot of harm that too much use of plastic can do. What can we do to minimize overuse of plastics and deal with garbage? Stop use of plastic bags. Reuse the plastic bags where it is possible. Make use of paper bags and use jute or cloth bags. Plastic bags need not be used for the storage of food materials. After use, plastic bags should not be thrown here and there. Burning of plastic bag is very harmful. Let's summarize. Measures to minimize the use of plastics and deal with garbage. First one, make minimum use of plastic bags. Reuse bags whenever it is possible. Second, carry cloth or jute bag when going out for shopping. Third, don't use plastic bags to store eatables. Fourth, don't use or don't throw plastic bags here and there after use. Fifth, never burn plastic bags and other plastic items. Sixth, use vermicomposting at home and deal with kitchen waste usefully. Seventh, recycle paper. Eighth, use both sides of paper to write. Use a slate and a blank sheets of paper left in your notebooks for rough work. Think about more ways to minimize overuse of plastics. Always remember, more garbage we generate, more difficult it will be to get rid of it. The process of recovering waste paper and remaking it into new paper products is called, yes, paper recycling. By dash method, plastic cannot be converted into less harmful substances. By composting method. Okay, good. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Garbage or waste are such items which are unwanted. Wastes are divided into two types, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. There are many methods of waste disposal like composting, vermicomposting, recycling of paper, etc. Fruits and vegetable skin are biodegradable waste. Plastic is a non-biodegradable material. The burning of all types of plastics produces harmful gases. So that's all for today. Let's wind up. Before winding up, let's have a look upon the follow-up activity. Make a colorful poster on the heading, Save Earth by saying no to plastics. So dear children, try it out. Thank you. Have a nice day.